Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm in my garage right now, and in this video I'm going to be learning how to put on my windshield wipers because apparently it's very easy and I've never known how to do it. And this video is going to be part of a series that I'm going to try and continue doing, where I discover and learn how to take care of my car. And I think it's gonna be a fun series because I've always been interested in cars. So I just wanna learn and share and hopefully motivate you guys to get more involved with your car. So yeah, guys, I'm excited to get into this. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel and follow all my socials. And yeah, guys, let's get into this. First, I'm gonna take the windshield wipers off. So I watched a video on how to do this online. These are my old ones. It's been 2 years and I don't wanna do this in the winter, so I'm just gonna do it now. So to get rid of these, oh, do I squeeze this? Oh, that's interesting. So you squeeze that up. These are for Bosch, so I don't know about other ones. And then I think you squeeze this. I'm trying to figure out now how you actually get rid of these. I think you squeeze this and separate and pull. So, ow, I was just trying because I was like, oh, aren't they actually like hooks? So here we go. So that's how you get this one off. This is my old one. So yeah, it just snaps on. That's interesting. That's cool. So like when you discover this stuff yourself, like you just like learn it better, you know? So like obviously I watched the video, but like it's cool to like discover. Like I didn't even know, like, you know, the video, I watched the video, but I was like, all right, I'll probably have to figure something out. So yeah, it's like the hook mechanism. So you take that off and then you just, I don't want to hurt myself again. I think you just pull down. Ow. Like, it's like, you have to do it kind of like violently a little bit, so that's okay. Now I gotta figure out how to get the new ones on. So like, yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that on here, but like, there's no like actually deformities to the rubber. It's just like, it literally just leaves streaks for some reason. But yeah, these are amazing windshield wipers. Oh, it actually has instructions. Wow, that's great. When I first got these, I remember how just mind blown I was of how well of a job they did. Because the ones I had previously were like 20 years old. They were really terrible. So yeah, I mean, I guess, I don't know what the difference is, but I guess let's do this side because it's a little more hard to get to. So you just pop this up and then, now I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. I think it went like this and then through here and then, ooh, yeah, you have to like tug at it. It's like, ooh, I got it, hooray. Yeah, it's like, oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna break it, but that's like just how you're supposed to do it. Yeah, I think I got it there for this one, so that's new. There you go. And now let's get on the next one. Yeah, so I have the Bosch icons. They're like pretty expensive for windshield wipers. All right, so how am I gonna do it with this? So you just pull this up, right? So that's how you do it. And then, it's like actually harder doing it here. Oh, okay, yeah, it goes through there. You gotta like freaking tug at it, dude. I'm gonna break this. I literally feel like I'm gonna break it. How did I do it so easily that time? I feel like I'm gonna break it. Ooh, this is like, you see, whenever you do stuff like this, you're always gonna get frustrated. Or at least I'm gonna get frustrated. It's like so hot in my garage too. Oh my lord. So how did I do it last time? It was so easy. Like, I was surprised. So this goes through here, right? I know that. I pulled at it last time. How did I do it? So I know this goes through here, right? Like, I know it goes through here and then it would like lie down right there like that. It's like, I know it goes through here, so. But I know you don't clip it because like this has to be in here. So you just, I feel like I'm gonna hurt my thumb. I really feel like I'm gonna hurt myself. I got it so easily. Honestly, I'm gonna go to that one and I'm gonna read and like figure out what I did. How did I get this so easily? So I know you squeeze this, right? And then I'm gonna take it, I'm actually gonna take it apart. Oh yeah, you squeeze this to take it off. How did I do it though? Does it go in like what? So it must be in like, all right. Oh, it's literally that simple, wow. So I'm gonna actually, yeah, I'm gonna redo this because I'm trying to figure this out. How? So I went through here and then I just went under like this. Why was that so easy? And then why is this like a different system? Can someone explain that to me? Am I doing this wrong? Like I'm starting to like second guess myself. How do I even get this off now? Am I doing this wrong? Was I doing this wrong? Oh Lord, you gotta be kidding me. How was I doing it even before? Oh, I was doing it wrong. Cause it's like, yeah, these parts you squeeze this. Oh my God, the whole time I was doing it wrong. I was gonna say like, I don't remember doing it like that. And then you just pop it in like that. Is that how you do it? Is that how you do it? I think you do it like that. Oh, I got it. Okay, that was a little violent, I'm sorry. I want to test these out, guys, but like, it's not raining. Yeah, it's not raining, so I can't really test these out. I feel accomplished because like, the last time I ever needed new windshields, like the guy at AutoZone did it, and I was like, man, I feel super not like, I don't know what the word is, but like independent, baby. But like, I feel accomplished now, you know? This is what I like about this, because when you do this stuff yourself, you feel like one with the car, you know? You feel like connected to it because you actually put work in, you did this yourself. I did this myself. I'm proud of myself, you know? I'm not making this video as in like to teach you guys like, you know, professionally how to do this, but like, I hope like maybe you, if you didn't know how to do this, maybe you just like learned through me and my discovery. Like I understand these are Bosch and they may be specific installation compared to other ones, but that was really interesting just to like learn like that, you know? Thank you guys so much for watching how to install windshield wipers. I'm gonna talk to you guys now. I'm gonna take the hat off. Wow, that, I don't know what is going on, but like, holy dude, this thing hurts. I'm never using this mount again. Hopefully this video did what I intended it to do and just like motivated you guys. Take a charge and like start doing stuff to your own vehicle. The next video I'm planning on doing is something to do with it's kind of like unique, you know? It's not like windshield wipers. Maybe it's not an oil change. I'm actually thinking of doing that, but first I need to buy like all the equipment. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that for a while, but yeah, there's like a component in my trunk that is not working the way I want it to work, and I think it may need to be replaced. So I think that's what I'm gonna do for my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please do leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.